To add a birthday countdown widget to your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap widget. Find countdown widget under Samsung calendar section. Alternatively, you can quickly find this widget by tapping the search bar and then type the widget name. Tap calendar. Now select the desired style of your birthday countdown. As the example, we will select 4 times 2 countdown widget. Tap and hold the widget and then drag it to the desired area on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap outside the widget. Next, tap the widget. Select the birthday event you like to count down. To make it more personal, you can change the background image by selecting custom image for the background. Select the desired image you like to use. Adjust the selected area to use it as background image. Tap done button. Now tap save to save the change. As you can see, this widget is now counting down for the selected birthday event. Given to the function, having a birthday countdown on your home screen will be great for keeping a special day top of mind, especially for loved one's birthday. It's helpful when you are planning a celebration, buying gifts, or organizing surprises. Plus, seeing the countdown every day adds excitement as the birthday gets closer, making the anticipation even more fun. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.